starts now with forecaster Asia Ray.
Good morning and welcome back. So critical fire weather continues for the state. As of now, this has extended until tonight at 10 p.m. A fire weather warning for north central Montana down into southwest Montana. Now, smoke and haze will increase around the state as steering winds bring ongoing smoke to the state from ongoing fires in California. Let's check on that air quality. Pretty good. Some areas moderate, but hopefully with today's rain, it can clear up some of that air and have moderate air for around the state. Now we're currently at a marginal risk for severe thunderstorms, and that simply means isolated severe thunderstorms possibly for the state. Now the biggest threat will be the gusty winds and also the frequent lightning. We'll have an increase in clouds today, partly cloudy skies, and also heavy downpours at times. Now, some of these cells can produce stronger cells, and those stronger cells can also produce hail. So you just want to keep that in mind. And if you're going out today, later on walking the dog, you do want to keep your eyes to the sky because that system will continue on into Friday morning for eastern Montana. So that's down in Opine, also Fort Peck and Glasgow. But here's a look at today's temperatures in the 80s, the 90s, and the upper 90s for eastern Montana, central Montana in the upper 80s, some areas in the low 90s. Our friends in Great Falls, 90 degrees. Havre, the mid 90s, 95 degrees. Our friends in Kalispell, 81 degrees. Now, portions of western Montana will have an increase in cloud cover. So Kalispell and also Missoula, mostly cloudy skies today. Now, the wind will pick up. You see exactly where that wind will pick up. In southeast Montana, the purple is up to 60 plus miles per hour. So as I mentioned, the wind will be gusting up to 50 to 60 miles per hour at times, and that's going to continue on for the overnight hours. As we get into Friday, thankfully it will subside. Tomorrow, sunny, warm, and dry. Here's a look at tomorrow's temperatures in the 80s and also the 90s around the state. For Cupping, 87 degrees. Let me not block Kalispell, 87 degrees as well. As friends in Missoula, 92 degrees, but around the capital, 90. So we're starting to get back into the 90s for a large portion of the state. Things will warm up going into the weekend, but let's look at tomorrow. We will have clear conditions, so not a lot going on, as you can see. Now you can see up in Canada, they do have some active weather going on, but let's extend it into Saturday and also Sunday. Clear conditions across the board. Monday, we will have an increase in cloud cover, but this weekend is going to be absolutely amazing. Let's look at the temperatures in the 50s, the 60s, and Billings, 76 degrees. That's just telling you one thing today. The temperatures will really warm up around the state. Kalispell, 49 degrees. Helena, clouds in the sky. We will have some times that we will see some sun, but the clouds will really take over. 64 degrees, and around Great Falls, temperatures in the 60s as well, but overcast skies. The relative humidity in the 50s and 60s. Yesterday, the relative humidity was in the teens. The winds not too bad. Our friends in Billings, winds are sustained at 16 miles per hour. Here's a look at today's temperatures. Tomorrow, clear and dry conditions, so you probably want to leave that umbrella at home tomorrow. And this weekend, back to hot temperatures and sunny skies. Here's a look at Great Falls. Partly cloudy skies, 90 degrees. Friday, have a little cumulus clouds lingering around the state. And for Helena, partly cloudy skies, 89 degrees, mostly sunny skies. And going into the weekend, it's going to be absolutely beautiful. Back to you.